Morning students, how are you all? I hope that you all are quite well. Okay, last few days I have been solving the exercise that is factorization. Okay, today we will perform how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, division of polynomial by another polynomial. It may be monomial, it may be monomial, binomial, trinomial, whatever it is. Okay, first few questions are very easy. Only the last question we have where we have to apply identity. Clear? So without wasting time, I am starting my lesson. Clear? So exercise 14.3, division of polynomial by another polynomial. Question number 1. So part 1. So 28 x raised to 4 divided by 56 x. Now we can do in many ways. So whatever you like easy, you feel easy, that you will do. So now 28 division form, I can write down in division form, divided by 56 x. So if you are not able to cut, by which number it will be getting cancelled, you can factorize also. After that, you cut whatever the remaining part, that is the answer. That means what I am talking, you can cancel 28 to the 56. This is also very easy. But what I am saying, for those who are not able to cut, you will write down 28. How can you write down 28? Factors of 28, 2 into 2, 4 into 7, 28 into x into x into x into x. So this is for those who are not able to cancel. And 56 can also be written 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 7, 56, and then x. Now we cut 1 to 2 to, then 7, 1x. What is left out on the numerator? X cube. What is left out in the denominator? Only 2. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the way. Or if you are able to cut it, directly you can cut 28 to the this, and x is to power 4, s x to power 1. Nothing is there in power 1. You can follow the rule of exponent also. Okay, now here I am writing next one, minus 36 y cube divided by 9y square. Same way, it may be negative, it may be positive, no matter. Only thing is that factors, you will write down the factors properly, by 9y square. So that can be written minus in bracket 36. How can I write down? 3 into 3, 9 into 2, 18 into 2, 36. Or if you are not able to do it orally, do it outside. And here y divided by 9, 3 into 3, y into y. So now this 3 into 3 cancel, y, this 2y cancel. What is left out on the top? Minus 2 and y, 2y, and at the bottom nothing is left out. This is the answer. Where negative answer is coming, for my instruction, standing instruction, you have to show it in bracket. Okay? Have you done it? Very simple question. So you will practice at home. Extra question from different type of books available in the market. You can practice. You can download some question from the net also. So since it is online mode of education is going on. So now 66 p q square r cube divided by 11 q r square. Now this time I will cut by following the exponential rule. So 66 p q square r cube divided by 11 q r square. 11 6 are 66. Q, if I cut out of the 2Q, so it will cut 1Q is left out. Okay, and R square RQ, 1R is left out. What is left out on the numerator? 6 P Q R, 1R is left out. So 6 P Q R is the answer. Or if you are facing problem, the way you have done in question number 1, 2, you can do that way also. Factorize the number, cancel the factor, whatever the left out part, that is the answer. Okay? Now, solve it quickly so that I can cover maximum number of questions in one day. Okay? And some of you are requesting me, sir, what will be our next chapter? Okay, I am telling you today. So, those who are going for what? Holidays and others, some students are requesting me. So, after this chapter, I will start comparing quantities. Okay, that is cost price, selling price, percentage applications is there. So, you if you have time, you can start solving in advance. This is very, very easy, and also it is linked with class 7 standard question. Okay, so if those who have done in class 7 very well, they will not face any problem. Okay, now coming to 34 x cube y cube z cube divided by 51 x y square z cube. Okay, so now how can I write down 34 x cube y cube z cube by 51 x y square z cube? You can factorize, or you may not. Z cube cancel. 17 2s are 34 and 17 3s are 51. X, if I cut here, so 2x is left out. If I cut here, 1y is left out. What is this total? On the top, 2x square y, and at the bottom, 3 only. This is the answer. Clear? Now, next one is 5. 12 a raised to 8 b raised to 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to 6 b raised to 4. So, negative number may be in denominator or may be in numerator. But after solving, the answer, negative sign, always will be on the numerator, as I told you in the rational number case. Okay. So, let it be first write down here. So, 12 a raised to 8 b raised to 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to 6 b raised to 4. So, this one get cancelled, it will be minus 2 a6 and a8. After cancelling, I am getting 2a is still left out, b4 and b raised to 8. After cancelling, we are getting 4. 4b is left out. B raised to 4 is left out. A raised to 2 is left out. So, what is the total on the numerator? Minus 2 a raised to 2 and b raised to 4. This is the final answer. Okay. Have you understood? So, when you are facing any problem, and if I am doing little calculation mistake, excuse me, you will tell me then and then. When we will show you the video clip, I can amend it correctly. Okay. Now, coming to question number 2. Question 2. Divide the given polynomial by given polynomial. Now, it may be, I told you, no? Polynomial divided by polynomial. The first one may be monomial, second number may be monomial. So, that is the question number 1. And now, second question. First one, numerator is binomial and denominator is monomial. Okay, whatever it is, the denominator will be for all terms present in the numerator. if numerator having 3 terms, so whatever the denominator is there, denominator will be for all 3 terms. So we can separate also nicely. So suppose I am giving one example. So here 5x raised to 2 minus 6x divided by 3x. Now this 3x is for 5x square, this 3x is for 6x. Okay, how can I write down here? First we will write down what about this question given by 3x. Now this 3x is split. So 5x square by 3x. So numerator is for both the term. If 3 terms is there, third term under you will write down this. And minus sign is there, minus 6x by 3x. Now you cannot cut this x if I cut 1, and then 6x if we cut 2. What is left out? 5 under this by 3. 1x is out, another x is left out. Okay? Here, so x minus what is left out? 2 only. Okay? After cancelling, I am getting 5 by 3. 5 and 3 cannot be cancelled. So 5 by 3 and 1x is decreased from the numerator. That is x raised to 2. When you subtract 1, 1 is left out. That is x only. Okay? 1 is the exponent of each and every rational number. Okay? So here it will be 1. And here after cutting I am getting only 2. So what I am talking, when binomial, trinomial, whatever it is, one numerator is there, that numerator is for all terms present in numerator. Okay? Denominator, whatever it is there, so you have to divide all the terms by the denominator. Now number 2, 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by y4. Bas, very simple. So 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 4. Now you split 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to by y4. 4y raised to 6 by y4 plus 5y raised to 4 by y4. Y raised to 4. Now this y raised to 4, this 4 get cancelled. So when you cancel, it will be what? It is 6. So when you cut 4 power, 2 is left out. And y raised to 4, when 4 power is cut, 4 is left out. What is this? 3y raised to 4 minus 4y raised to 2. 4y raised to 2 plus 5 only. If you have problem, question number 1, whatever you have followed, split the number 3 into y. So it will be long. That's why when you are going one question after another question, little bit shortcut will be there. Okay? So you cut the power of y. These two are in division form. So in case of division, what is the powers are subtracted? So 8 from 4 from 8 after cutting or reducing, I am getting 4. 4 from 6 after reducing, I am getting 2. And y4 raised to y4 get cancelled, only 5 is left out. So what is left out here? 3y raised to 4, 4y raised to 2, and only 5 is left out. This is the answer. Okay? Very simple. Now next question 3. It is little longer, but no problem. whatever it is there, you have to carry it out. So 8 in bracket x raised to 3, y raised to 2, z raised to 2 plus x raised to 2, y raised to 3, z raised to 2 plus x square, y square, z square divided by 4 x square, y square, z square. So while writing, if you are doing any mistake, so you will be facing problem. Now for all terms we have denominator 4x square, y square, z square. So what will write here? 8 into x raised to cube, y raised to square, z raised to square plus x raised to square, y raised to cube, z raised to square plus x raised to square, y raised to square, y raised to 2, z raised to 2 divided by what? 4 x square, y square, z square. 4x square, y square, z square. Now this question is little bit different. So you see we have 8, but that is in bracket. Okay, that means what? All the terms present inside the bracket we need to multiply by 8. Then why we multiply? We should not make it longer one. So if I cut this power, it will be 2. Now instead of 8, now you can multiply it by 2. So you can multiply it by 2x cube y square z square plus 2x square y cube. You may multiply, may not multiply, no problem. Then we have to keep in bracket. But to make you understand, I am just doing, once I have cut, now this power, no need to divide all the terms by 4. Okay, x square, y square, z square divided by only x square, y square, z square. Okay, now split 2x cube y square z square by x square y square z square plus 2x square, sorry, here I have done mistake, y cube z square, 2x square y cube z square by x square y square z square plus x square y square z square by x square y square z square. When you divide any number by itself, what is the answer? 1. When any term divided by itself, answer is 1. So here, so z square, z cube, 1 is left out, square, square, cut, y cut. Here x square cut, y square if you cut, 1 is left out, z square cut. So what is left out here? 2, 1 is left out, x, here it is 2x, plus here it is 2y, and here it is 1. So this is the last result. This is the last result. After cutting I am getting 2x only, y square z square is out. Here after cutting I am getting y only, 2y, x square z square is out, and here x square y square z square divided by x square y square z square, that means 1. This is the final answer. So only thing is that we need to write it properly. So if you write it properly, then you will not do any mistake. Okay. Whatever the number of terms present does not matter. Only you have to follow the proper step, then you will never face any problem. Okay. Now coming to the next question 4. Every day you have to maintain your notebook. This time you just see after half-yearly I am collecting notebooks because 5 marks is there. Activity 5 marks is there. Definitely I will do one activity in the month of December or January for periodic test 2. Okay. So whatever I am doing on the board, time to time you have to note down. Okay. You will note down this. If you have I'm obstacle before you, so we pause it and pause the video and write down all the questions. Okay. Now next is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. Very simple. X cube 2x square 3x divided by 2x. So now x cube by 2x plus 2x square by 2x plus 3x by 2x. Yes? So denominator is for all terms present in the numerator. Okay. Now if I cut one power here, so 2 power is left, so it will be x square by 2. Here 2 cancel, this power is cancelled, 1 power is left out, x cancel, what is left out? 3 by 2. This is the answer. Clear? Is there any question left? Yes, one more question is there. You will finish your everyday's work. Sometimes I have noticed children are watching my video in the evening, not in the morning. They are relaxing this entire holidays. Okay? So if you are not doing it, you will be facing problem. Q6 minus P6 Q3 divided by PQ divided by PQ QQ. P raised to 3, Q raised to 3. Same, first you write down in division form. PQ Q6 minus P6 QQ by PQ QQ. Now split P raised to 3, Q raised to 6 by PQ QQ minus P raised to 6 Q raised to 3 by PQ QQ. Now you see PQ, this cancel, this power is cancelled, only 3 is left out. And here QQ cancel, if we divide, then it will be PQ. So what is left out here? QQ minus PQ. So since they are saying division, so up to this much is finished. But if it is a factorization, so then what is the formula? What is the identity? AQ minus BQ. So already I have given that identity before. So in this case, it is not arising since the instruction is division. If the instruction is factorization, so then you have to explain again. What is the form identity? PQ minus PQ. That is AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay? So that identity you have to use. Now that situation is not arising since it is division. Only division. Okay? Now next question is 3. Work out the following divisions. Same binomial by monomial or binomial by binomial. So here number 1, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So split first, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. That means 10x by 5 minus 25 by 5. So cut 2, cut 5. So 2x minus 5. Very simple. I don't know how long we have to continue this type of learning mode depending on the instruction and the situation. So 10x minus, from here only little bit calculation is required. This divided by 2x minus 5. So what I will do, from here little bit calculation is required. Mind it. What we will do, first you write down division form, no problem. 10x minus 25 by 2x minus 5. Now what can we take common from the numerator and what can we take common from the denominator? So if I take what? 5 common from the numerator, what I will get? 2x divided by 5, 2x and divided by 5 is 5 divided by 2x minus 5. This 2x minus 5 together, not individual, together get cancelled with numerator part. What is left out? 5 only. Answer. This is the procedure. Okay. You have to reduce the number. After reducing, you will notice that entire part of the denominator cutting with the entire part of the numerator. Okay. And what is left out? 5 is left out, and this is the answer. Clear? So this type of calculation will start. 1 mark question definitely you will get from this. If I conduct class test next time, so definitely I will cover this type of question. Now same 3 is 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So first you write down division form. 10y divided by 6y plus 21 by 5 2y plus 7. Now I can cut 5 and 10. This is 5, this is out. So it is now 5y, 2y 6y plus 21 divided by 2y plus 7. Now you have to reduce again from here. What can I take common from these two numbers? It has 6y and it is only 21. What is the common? 6 is divided by 2 and 3 and 21 is divided by 3 and 7. So what is common? 3. So if I take common 3, here 2y already is there. If I take common 3, so the number will get reduced. 2y plus 7 divided by 2y plus 7. So this entire part get cancelled. It will be 6y. It will be 6y. Understood my point? So anyhow you have to cut the entire part. To do that, what we have to do? We have to take common. After taking common, number gets reduced and then you cancel the remaining part. Okay? Apply your common sense. It has no any hard and fast rule. Whatever I have done, you have to follow it. You have to cut it, but not individually, as a whole. Whole part of numerator, whole part of denominator will get cancelled. What is the remaining part? This will be the answer. Okay. Now coming to next. Practice make the mind perfect. So at home you will practice a lot. You will see, because after this you will be in class 9. Okay. No one will teach you in class 9 separately. So that time teacher will blame me. Okay, class 8 में कुछ नहीं हुआ. Okay. So you should not be like this. 4 9x square y square 3z minus 24 here plus divided by 27 xy z minus 8. Very simple. You have to follow the procedure only. First you write down the division form. 9x square y square 3z minus 24 now this one is 24 and now divided by 27 xy z minus 8. So 9, if I cancel by this, it will be 3. 9 3s are 27. xy cut. What is left out? Only xy left out. Okay. So now second line you write down xy 3z minus 24 and bottom 3 into 3z minus 3 into z minus 8. Now it is not the final. Again you have to take common from the numerator so that it can cut with z minus 8. So 3z is divisible by 3. 24 also divisible by 3. So I can take common and number can be reduced. xy multiplied, what you can take common? 3 and it will be z minus 8 and on the bottom 3 z minus 8. So instead of taking common, you can multiply and now you can increase the number also. That is also one procedure. Okay, now this z and this z, this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. What is left out? xy. xy is the answer. Clear? We also finished question number 4 I am doing. So today at a time all questions I think I won't be able to finish. So it will take long time to finish. So better is that question number 4 I am doing and then next number and some additional question next day I will cover. Okay? 4. Fatapat karo. 5, 4 part 1. Same procedure. Divide as directed. 5. Same procedure. 2x plus 1. Okay? Into 3x plus 5 into divided by 2x. Very simple. Plus 1. Copy it. Fatapat. Now you write down first division form. 5 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Sometimes I have noticed children are cancelling 2x, 1. No, when it is in bracket, all together, this part get cancelled. What is left out? 5 into 3x plus 5. This is the answer. Or you can multiply and show in the simplest form also. No need in my sense. So 7 26 xy into x plus 5 into y minus 4 divided by 13x into y minus 4. Very simple. 26xy into x plus 5 and y minus 4 divided by 13x into y minus 4. First of all, this y minus 4 get cancelled. 13 2s are 26, x and x cancel. What is left out? Y and this part. Y into x plus 5 is the answer. Understood? Very simple. Only arrangement is equal and cancel it. Okay? Now, next question 2, 3. into p plus q, q plus r, q plus r plus into r plus p divided by, little long but nothing is there. What? 104 pq into q plus r into r plus p. Write it properly in division form. 52 pqr, p plus q, q plus r, r plus p divided by 104 pq, q plus r, r plus p. Okay, r plus p, r plus p cancel, q plus r, q plus r cancel. 52 2s are 104 and pq, pq cancel. Then what is left out on the numerator? So r is there, and pq, p plus q. What is left out in the numerator? Only 2. So or you can write down half r into p plus q. Okay. Next question. 4. Question number 4. 20 y plus 4 into y square plus 5 then y square plus 5y plus 3 into divided by 5 y plus 4. This is little bit different. Okay, but nothing is there. Only you have to follow the rule properly. Okay. So here we write down the division form of this. 20 into y plus 4 into y square plus 5y, no, simple, I thought it is middle term, no, by 5 into y plus 4. Y plus 4, y plus 4 cancel, 5 4s are 20. What is left out? 4 y square plus 5y plus 3. This is the answer. Clear? Last one. Then I will give a break today. Tomorrow, last question along with some question from other book I will manage. Sorry, 5. X into x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 1. Okay, write down in division form. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So this x plus 1, x and x cancel. What is left out? X plus 2 into x plus 3. Clear? Have understood? So now the last question I will do next day, and today up to this month my sincere advice is that you need to practice. Practice from your textbook. Practice from other books, the refresher or whatever question available in the net. You can just write down division of polynomial. You will get so many questions, and you will practice at home. Practice make the man perfect. Okay. So next day I will start question number 5. Till then, bye bye students.